Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to put text around an image in Photoshop. Please watching the full video. Create a new layer. Then select first of all select shape for any shape. Click and drag it. Okay. Then click text tool, type horizontal type tool and text color white, Arial black, text size. Okay, now see this logo icon. Type anything. Okay, and now see this shape. Go to file, open and click your image. Click and drag it. Right click on your mouse, create clipping mask. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.